Hi, beautiful girls. I really understand and I know all the hidden challenges that you face every single day and don't even talk about it. I know all the secret pain that you carry in your heart. I can totally relate it. Today, I'm here like you're an elder sister. In this video, I'm making an attempt to smash your insecurities and building yourself into a bold, centered, and successful woman. This video is especially for all my girls and beautiful ladies out there. And even if you're a guy watching this video, you can simply watch it and I hope you found some value out of it. Listen, girls, you are not this. You're not this skin. You're not this color. You're beyond this. You're a beautiful soul. दिस वर्ल्ड हैज़ ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड सो मैनी ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर वीमेन कि अगर एक लड़की इस तरीके से दिखती है तो ही वो खूबसूरत कहलाएगी. आई नो यू हैव लॉट ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटीज अबाउट योर सेल्फ दैट यू आर नॉट टॉल इनफ और यूर लाइक और यूर वेरी शॉर्ट और यूर टू माई हाइट बहुत ज़्यादा है. ओ माई गॉड शी इज़ सो टॉल. Yucks, I don't like that much height. Oh my god, she is so short. Just look at her. She is so lean. Just look at her. She is so fat. You know, these different beauty standards that a woman should look like this. You know, you feel so insecure about yourself. You don't even know that where these beauty standards came from. क्या ये beauty standards आपने अपने लिए खुद डिफाइन किए हैं? वट इज़ ब्यूटी फॉर यू? आप हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट इट कि आपके लिए ब्यूटी का मतलब क्या है? हमें कभी कभी लगता है कि जो मैं सोच रही हूँ या जो मैं फील करती हूँ या जो मेरी मान्यता है, दैट मीन्स माई थिंकिंग एंड बिलीव्स बिलोंग टू मी. बट बहुत बार ये होता है कि हम इतने कॉन्शियस या हम इतने अवेयर नहीं होते हैं कि हमें नहीं मालूम होता है कि ये थिंकिंग मेरी थी या बिलीफ मेरा था या मैंने कहीं से बोरो किया है. So that's very important thing that I want to, a very important message that I want to give to every young woman out there, that you should never ever feel insecure about yourself because of the way you look. No one is beautiful. Everyone, work on themselves. हर कोई इंसान अपने ऊपर काम करता है. हर इंसान अपने ऊपर ग्रूमिंग करता है अपने आप का. लाइक कौन सा कपड़ा मुझ पर अच्छा लगेगा, ठीक है, या मैं कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाऊं जो मुझ पर अच्छा लगेगा, कि कौन सा हेयर कट मुझ पर सूट होता है, मुझे कैसी ज्वेलरी यूज़ करनी चाहिए जो मुझे सूट करे. मैं ये नहीं कहती कि आउटर अपीयरेंस मैटर नहीं करता. इट रियली मैटर्स, बट इट इज़ द ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स जो सोसाइटी ने सेट किए हैं विमेंस के लिए. यू शुड नॉट ब्लाइंडली फॉलो दैट. यू शुड हैव योर ओन डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी. यू शुड completely accept yourself and start working on your exteriors as well. You should never stop working on yourself. You need to focus on building the holistic personality. This is only one part. This body is only one part of the beauty. Have you ever thought about working on your mind? Have you ever thought about working on your soul? They say never judge a book by its cover, but the truth is that a book is always judged by its cover. Okay, so learn and experiment with your looks. देखो आप पे क्या सूट करता है. हमेशा कोशिश करो कि आप अच्छे कपड़े पहने, घर पर हो तो भी, ठीक है. हमेशा थोड़ा सा, जैसे भी आप ड्रेसअप होते हैं, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा ड्रेसअप होकर कहीं पे भी जाएं, ठीक है. हमेशा कोशिश करें कि आप अच्छा परफ्यूम यूज़ करें, आप अपने पर्सनल हाइजीन का केयर करें. एंड ऑलवेज वॉक लाइक अ गॉडेस. आई ऑलवेज डू. Whenever you walk in a room, and you should make sure that your presence is noticed. You have to learn to increase your vibration, your energy, your aura. You have to work on becoming a magnetic and charismatic personality. So this body is only one part. There is something beyond that. They gave a compliment, beauty with brain. Why do they say like that? Because this is something that you are born with. You can only improve it, but there are certain areas of your life which you can work and improve. For example, you need to work on your mind. Okay, you have to learn something new daily. Okay, become educated. यहाँ पे मैं इस चीज़ की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ कि आपके पास कितनी डिग्री हैं, but are you smart enough to take small decisions of your life? Because earlier I was not that. Even if I have to choose a dress for the day, I have to go and ask my mom कि मम्मी आज कौन सी फ्रॉक पहनूँ. So start taking small decision of your life. It comes with the time. Start focusing on learning high value skills and subjects. ठीक है. Learn about how you will be managing your money and finances. Lot of women out there, they are earning so good, but they have zero clue how to manage their money, what to do with that money. Next thing that comes to my mind is to learn to communicate well. You have to learn to communicate. You have to speak up for yourself. I have seen a lot of women, they let go of opportunity, because they are too shy उनको लगता है कि आई शुड नॉट साउंड एम्बिशियस. वाई? यू कैन बी एन एम्बिशियस women. You can be graceful and ambitious women. There's nothing wrong about it. You have to learn and speak up for yourself. You have to, tell कि this is my work and I deserve this opportunity. So there are a lot of women or girls who face eve teasing. छेड़छाड़ होती है लड़कियों के साथ. That's very common. To say that is very bad. Actually, that's very common because every girl has faced that eve teasing. You don't have courage. You don't have courage to go and talk in front of that guy or slap that guy because you are so scared of that. Because आपने कभी सीखा ही नहीं अपने लिए बोलना, आपने कभी सीखा ही नहीं गलत के लिए आवाज़ उठाना. There are so many there's so many injustice happening against women from years. हमेशा से होता आया है. कुछ injustice होता है जो न्यूज़पेपर की हेडलाइंस बन जाता है और कुछ injustice ऐसे होते हैं जो घर की दीवारों के अंदर ही रह जाते हैं. Why? Because you don't know to take a stand for yourself. You don't know to speak up for yourself. So it's very important that you develop that courage so that you can speak about the right. And that is very important that you learn to build self confidence. And ये जो स्किन है, ये जो खूबसूरती है, हम जो स्किन से डिफाइन करते हैं कि our skin defines how beautiful you are, right? It is not true. There are so many aspects to the beauty and you have to define that beauty. What I have also seen that a lot of women are generally emotional in nature. And I have seen very strong women feeling lost, feeling devastated because they were not treated right in their friend circle or in relationships. Listen, honey, self-respect comes first. Friendship comes first. When you respect yourself, then only the other people will respect you. Okay, so don't beg anyone that they will come and treat you rightly. Are you treating yourself with love and compassion? Are you having a feeling of self-respect for yourself? Do you have courage to talk about yourself or to tell in a meeting full of men that you deserve the opportunity, that you have done that work? It's very important to work on your holistic personality, as I said before. And I have seen that a lot of women don't prioritize themselves. They keep on doing so many things so that their family members की expectations के according वो चलती रहे. ठीक है, I always believe that you should do things for your family because family is the most important thing in everyone's life. But I have seen women that they keep sacrificing themselves so that कि एक दिन आएगा कि वो भी appreciated या accepted feel करेंगी by their loved ones. I have seen my mother. She has done a lot of things for family in just a hope that one day she will be loved and that she will be accepted, she will be respected in family. And you know what happens? जब हम अपनी ही आप को नीचे रखते जाते हैं ताकि दूसरे हमसे ऊपर रहें, ताकि हम एक दिन आएगा कि वो भी हमें प्यार करें, हमें एक्सेप्ट करें. इससे पता है क्या होता है, जो हमारे अंदर इमोशनल ट्रॉमा, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ women who are have that, they carry so much trauma in themselves, that's domestic violence that happen against with them, the emotional trauma that they are carrying. Why? Because a lot of women don't know to prioritize their own happiness. Because women are generally, there is nothing wrong, to take care of family, to do the things for the family, because women are blessed with, that mother wali feeling ki you want to prepare food for the family. I also love to prepare food for my family. I always, whenever I go, I prepare food for my family. I love to do that. I love to help my mom in kitchen. But when you do all those things with love, not when you are putting yourself aside and when you are doing things for other people so that they will love you and appreciate you and approve you. When you are not loving yourself, when you are not appreciating yourself, when you are not putting yourself as your first priority, you will end up losing yourself. दुनिया में सब कुछ हार जाओ, but इंसान को ना अपने आप को कभी नहीं हारना चाहिए. So no one will value you if you don't value yourself. And most importantly is that you have to learn to walk away. You have to learn to say goodbyes. Goodbyes are very important and the best decision of your life. If you feel that you feel insecure, or if somebody is there in your circle who make you feel insecure because you are not fair enough, you are not tall enough, or your body is not in perfect shape, okay, walk away. Learn to define your own beauty, that what is beauty for you. Dress well. I'm not saying that you should accept yourself, but dress well, but also physical appearance is just one part, but there is beyond it, and that is your mind and your soul. Learn to educate yourself, work on your spiritual aspects of your life. Okay, so dear ladies, don't feel insecure because of this beauty standards that world has defined for you. And if you're watching this video till now, I want to say that please cherish your journey. Always have a mental picture of what you want, and have a gratitude कि ईश्वर ने आपको इतना सब कुछ दिया है. And love you guys. I hope this video helped. See you in the next video.